Terrazzo dreams, designed to last, built to inspire. Every surface tells a story, a line, a chip, a shimmer underfoot, each one laid with intent, with care, with memory. This is terrazzo, where design meets durability, and the floor becomes a canvas. We find inspiration in the unexpected, coastlines, erosion, layers of rock formed over millennia, and we bring it indoors, into kitchens, cafes, and galleries, where materials speak the language of architecture and nature becomes part of the structure. You see polish, we see process. Every surface starts as chaos, dust, slurry, stone, time. It's not quick. It's not easy, but it's a craft we've honed for decades, with grinders, with hands, with an obsession for detail. Because it's not about pouring concrete, it's about listening to it. Geometry has a voice, inlaid brass, clean intersections, lines that lock and lead. Every divider strip tells the floor where to go and where to stop. It's not just design, it's discipline. Some jobs change you. The scale, the detail, the unexpected asks. The ones where the design pushes you to invent new techniques, and somehow you pull it off. These aren't just floors, they're legacies. Places where strangers walk, and we see every pore, every patch, every proud moment. We build for permanence, for beauty that earns its keep, for surfaces that hold up under real life, but still make you stop and stare. I'm Nolan Mayrhofer, founder of Victoria Stone Design. We don't just pour terrazzo, we design it, we fight for it, we bring it to life.